here is how you can fix your microphone on your Android phone. Let me guide you through the process and show you how you could basically approach this and make sure that your microphone works the way that you would expect it to, right? So let me get started, subscribe, and let's get into it. Okay, so it's very important to know where you physically have the microphones on your device and make sure that you clean them, as well as not obstruct them with a phone case or the placement of your hand, right? But in order to know, or in order to do that, you need to know where the physical microphone actually is. So I would open up my settings app, and at the bottom I have the About Phone section, which is going to tell me exactly my product name. So I can look that up into the search on the internet. Right, so if I look up exactly this model, which I'm holding in my hand, I can see plenty of information about it. And this is going to allow me to see the physical specification of the phone, right? So I'm going to be able to see where exactly the microphone is. So in my case, I just went and looked it up through the Google search, found a Samsung page, and there is a Samsung manual, so I can literally see the exact proportions of the phone. And I can see that I have a microphone at the top, I have one at the bottom. I can see the speakers, the main antenna, and all of the other stuff which I was probably curious about. And that is the important part. Make sure you look it up similar way on your device to see exactly where it is, so you don't obstruct it, as I said, with your placement of the hand or the case. But outside of that, you can just like restart the phone, update, and kind of like test it out with the Voice Memos app to see if it actually captures the audio the way that it should, right? So you can eliminate possible problems with it. But I believe that the most important part is basically just cleaning the mic, because that is going to be the thing which gets the most job done in terms of fixing the microphone. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this, and I'll see you later.